Your video over your channel, that's cool. I just want to be in your channel, that's cool. Am I in your channel? Brah!
You want to be in my channel? I have 47 subscribers. I'm 49, almost 50.
I'm into cameras. Kiss the camera. Mwah.
Bob Ray.
Bob the Filth.
Wait, stay still. A second.
Oh my gosh.
Do a funny face.
No, 49 subscribers.
That face.
Dude, I feel like half the people
I was filming your face.
don't even know this. What is
Hey, Jenny.
Johnny Tits. Yeah, I know that one.
Jenny.
I miss my blue hair.
Jenny. Jenny.
I got 49
Jenny.
subscribers and watch
Say
this.
hi to YouTube.
Did I show you this yet? I was talking about Baby Fruit, right?
Yeah, I know.
Baby Fruit.
I'm
He's got
kidding.
3,169, and he's part of the Philippines game.
Help my eyes.
Wait.
Billy. He's like, Isha. Oh my god. You're like,
Hey, Iris.
part of the game.
He's like, I'm gay.
Rachel. Rachel.
Rachel, say hi to Billy the Fridge.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. Billy the Fridge should go
Say hi
vagina.
to Billy.
Billy the Fridge should die in a hole. I mean, there's no way he's... Oh, wait, no. He'd, like, fall halfway and then get stuck.
It's right there, too.
You're still filming.
I'm not gay.
Well, I'm just saying, you gotta title this, Dissing on Billy the Fridge.
I've already done like 2 of these.
I know, we're just gonna diss on Billy the Fridge for right now. So,
Cool, but like,
let's diss on Billy the Fridge.
4K watched it. No, like,
Nah.
107,500.
Nah.
And do you know how many people watched mine? The one I made?